Well, hey there, everyone. This is Richard. Welcome back to Stuff You Can Do in Excel. Today is one of my Excel in 90 seconds video. Let's see if I can get this done in this time. We're going to look at how to quickly select a range of data. I'm going to start with this data here. Imagine this data is actually hundreds of rows long and several hundred columns wide. We want to select just one piece of the data. Well, if we click on this little gray arrow up here in the upper left corner above the row numbers and beside the column headings, and we click on that gray triangle, and you'll see that it'll highlight everything in the spreadsheet. We don't want that. What we just want to highlight is this data here. So if we click on year, and then I Control Shift and double click on the bottom of that, it's going to highlight everything in that column, all the data in that column. If I double click on the right hand side, so holding down the Control and the Shift, it will highlight everything in those rows. Another way to do this is to click on the top item, hit Control Shift down, goes all the way to the bottom, and Control Shift right will take you all the way to the right. A little quirky thing about this, let's just take out a row, and when I do that, if I go back up here, whoops, that's not what I want to do. Let's delete a row. If I go up here to the top and I do Control Shift down, it's going to stop when it gets to the end of the data. It's going to recognize that blank line as a stopping place. Hopefully this will help you. Some quick tips on how to quickly save a range of data.